Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. In this lesson, we polished a logo by fine-tuning its anchors using the direct selection tool. Open your logo and zoom into the rough edges. Select the direct selection tool to reveal its editable points. Click the first anchor that looks uneven. Drag the handle outward to fix the curve. Move to the next point and repeat the correction. Now continue scanning the logo for imperfections and also adjust each anchor slowly for consistent flow. Now zoom out to check the overall symmetry. Refine the shape by making tiny adjustments. Adjust both handles when correcting subtle curves. Ensure every stroke feels clean and professional. Review the entire logo and shape.